My name is DEEKSHA. I am from ISC branch. My startup company Future Home. My product present name handbag. My product proposed name Indian cigarettes. Empathizing. Mentioning some of the requirement and feeling about the product as said by the customers during the empathizing activity. The handbag should have enough space to hold all your essential. The handbag is not too heavy. Define. Based on the empathizing stage and considering the feelings and requirements of customers, many new features are added to the existing product as an existing product name handbag, futuristic product name Indian cigarettes. 88. Some of the additional features to be added are mentioned here. Makes it easy to see and use your phone without removing it from the bag. Perfect for holding water bottles or umbrellas, ensuring they are easy to reach. Protects the contents of the bag from rain and moisture. Protects the bottom of the bag from dirt. Prototype. In prototype stage, the real working model has to be manufactured. Due to the time constraint, the mentor advised to draw a sketch. The sketch is given below. Testing. I request the viewers of the presentation video to comment your opinion to satisfy the testing stage. Thank you.